Welcome to SewVeryEasy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to share with you a very special package that I did get in the mail today. Now, this is a package I've been waiting for a couple of months, and some of you already might know what it is, but I'm going to show you what is involved in the box before I open the box. And it involves this, this, these, and more. Yes, my book has finally come in the mail. Now it is all about Quilt-As-You-Go Clamshells. Now I love the shape of the clamshell, but I don't like all of that handwork. So I've come up with a way that we are able to put those clamshells together and they look more like an ice cream cone shape. But the points go together. It's a quilt-as-you-go. It's a lot of fun and it's easy to do. So let's open up the box. I was so excited I just moved everything off to the side. And let's open this box. Now this book is starting to be shipped this week out to shops. So the shops will be getting them in soon. The bookstores are going to be getting them in soon. And I've got some in soon myself. And this is my little book. Now, I would consider this more of a booklet because there is just this one technique throughout this book. So it's not a big, heavy book. It's just a nice little book. It has the templates on how to do those great shapes. And of course, the step-by-steps to go along. And there's also a bonus where we're going to be able to make a mini clamshell. Now, these are all made with 5-inch pre-cut squares. So that takes half of the work right out at the beginning. It has the recommendations that I feel works best for this. Some tips along the way. And it gives us the directions on how to make those great projects, plus more. Here's that beautiful table runner. The placemats. Oh, that beautiful pillow. And it talks how to make that pillow and that pillow back. And there's also a bench pillow. Now the fun thing about this is there is a coloring page involved. So we have this coloring page, or we could do it as a counting page. We do need to trim off a portion of those sides to square up the clamshells, just like we would a traditional clamshell quilt. But this is going to give us a chance if we want to color it, so you can photocopy it and color it, or we can use it for counting. How many pieces are we going to need for the shape we're going to need? Has the math and everything in the book. So I'm pretty excited about this book. It has been a lot of fun to make, and I am going to sign them and start getting them shipped out. Now, I did promote this a couple of months ago so that people could do pre-sales. And the very first person who did the pre-sale was Evelyn from New Jersey. So I am going to sign this book. And it's going to be the very first one. And Evelyn, because you were the first to buy, you're going to get my first signed edition. And I'm going to get it out of the mail. And I'm going to get it out in the mail as soon as I can. That marker is not working. Hold on. I need a marker. And of course, my pen did not work the first time. So Evelyn, I've put in here, have a so-tacular day. Love, Laura. And I'm going to put number 1 on there. So there you go. I'm going to get the rest of them signed and get them out as soon as I can. And thank you everyone who has been following along, waiting for this book, and those that did the pre-orders. I'll put a link in my store because they will be available really soon. I have my first shipment in and I'm expecting my second shipment in a couple of days. And it really is a very easy way of doing clamshells. Thank you for joining me today on the unboxing of my latest book. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I do have a newsletter. It's all free under SewVeryEasy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Thanks again. Bye for now.